Got a pile of comments cluttering up your WordPress site? Whether it's spam or just time for a clean slate, I'm here to show you how to delete all WordPress comments quickly and easily. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. In this video, I'll guide you through several ways to delete all comments from your WordPress site, whether you prefer using the admin dashboard, a plugin, or even the database directly. Let's jump in. Comments play an essential role in WordPress sites, especially for bloggers, news outlets, and communities. They encourage interaction, give visitors a voice, and can be a great way to build engagement around your content. A lively comment section can signal to search engines that your site is active, helping with SEO. But comments need to be managed. If left unchecked, spam can pile up and even well-intended comments can make a post hard to navigate. That's why it's critical to stay on top of your comment section, either moderating regularly or, when necessary, clearing everything out. Before taking the plunge and deleting all your comments, it's vital to back up your website. This is because deleting comments is permanent and cannot be undone. If you accidentally delete valuable information or legitimate discussions, having a backup ensures you can restore your site to its previous state. You can use backup plugins like Updraft Plus to create a full backup of your WordPress site, including the database where your comments are stored. If you're a Rapyd Cloud client, you can back up your site with one click from your Rapyd dashboard. It's a good precautionary step to take, so if anything goes wrong, you can revert to your previous setup easily. For a straightforward solution, you can delete comments directly from the WordPress Admin Dashboard. Navigate to Comments in your dashboard. To delete all comments, check the box next to the author to select all comments on the page. In the Bulk Actions drop-down menu, select Move to Trash and click Apply. Keep in mind that this method only allows you to delete comments page by page, with each page showing about 20 comments at a time. If you have thousands of comments, this can be tedious and you might want to consider using a plugin instead. If you have a large volume of comments, using a plugin like Delete All Comments of WordPress can save you a lot of time. Go to Plugins and then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Search for Delete All Comments of WordPress and click Install Now and then Activate. Once activated, navigate to Tools and then Delete Comments. Select the options to delete all comments or filter by status such as spam, pending, or approved. Click Delete Now and all the comments will be removed from your site. This plugin is especially useful for bulk deleting comments and can be set up in just a few minutes. For a more direct method, you can use phpMyAdmin to delete comments directly from the database. This option is for advanced users who are comfortable accessing their database. Log into your hosting provider's panel and find the gateway to phpMyAdmin. Select your WordPress database and find the WP Comments and WP Comment Meta tables. Check the boxes next to these tables and select Empty from the drop-down menu. This will permanently delete all comments from your WordPress site. Be sure to back up your database beforehand, as this action cannot be undone. Another advanced option is to delete comments using MySQL queries. This method is faster for very large databases and can be done through a MySQL console. Run the following command to delete all comments. Make sure to replace WP underline with your actual table prefix if it's different. Like with phpMyAdmin, this method requires caution and a backup before proceeding. When managing high-traffic websites or blogs, having reliable hosting is essential. At Rapyd Cloud, we offer high-performance hosting solutions that ensure your WordPress sites remains fast and secure, even while managing large volumes of comments and content. Click the link in the description to learn more about how Rapyd can elevate your WordPress experience. And that's how you can delete all comments from your WordPress site. Whether you're using the dashboard, a plugin, or diving into the database, I hope this guide helped you find the right solution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.